Hey, what's going on, folks? Chris here with the Halloween H20 Steelbook edition for its 25th anniversary, released back in 1998. So before I show you guys the artwork, I did a back and forth with the Scream Factory 4K edition of the film, and it's basically the same transfer, which looks pretty good, especially during close-ups on faces and exterior shots when it's light out. Other than that, I wouldn't consider this a great-looking UHD release since most of the film takes place at night. However, black lows are deep and the grain is intact. And the only English track included is the 5.1 mix. The 2.0 that's on the Scream Factory release isn't on here. And it's a decent mix in 5.1. Not all that immersive, but it gets the job done during the suspense with some bass kicking in. And overall, I found it crisp and clear. So I'm rating both the picture and audio quality a 4 out of a 5. And you don't get any features at all. However, the Steelbook is pretty sweet. I like the artwork on it, and it perfectly captures that fall Halloween vibe quite nicely. So yeah, this is basically geared for true fans of the film and people who love collecting steelbooks. In the meantime, let's take a closer look.